What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Crypto Chat here. Thank you for tuning in to another video. And today we're going to go over the Bitcoin market and just my thoughts on the market. And again, this is not professional and financial advice or investment advice for that matter. It's not even advice in general. It's just my opinion. So let's get into it, guys. So as you can see here, the market cap has risen about maybe, 15, 10, 20 billion in the last 48 hours. However, the Bitcoin dominance has dropped, so that's good for the altcoins. Always, guys. At least my philosophy is to look at coin market cap and the BTC value, because I believe, personally, I believe in like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. Other than that, I really don't know if any of these other things will ever stay. And Monero. Other than those real four, I really don't have faith. I have no faith in the rest of the market like I have faith in those four. And because of that, I like to dabble in altcoins. And the only reason I dabble in altcoins is to earn more of this guy right here, Bitcoin. Okay, so that's why I look at the charts in Bitcoin, because because I'm personally not trading USD with cryptocurrencies. My pairs will always with Bitcoin. So that's just my perspective, and a lot of other YouTubers mention that as well. But anyway, getting into the video. So uh, Bitcoin is up. Everyone's happy. Let's go back to US dollars. We can look at that. Bitcoin's at 7,716, which is quite nice. Okay. So just look at this, man. Everyone's calling this market manipulation. Everyone's calling it all that kind of stuff. I don't personally know. Possibly it is. But if you just look from right here, the whole Bart Simpson thing, you can see there's a bunch of different Barts. Not all of these are Barts, but some of them are. And all this is happening so regularly. Like, look at how, this looks like a really shit cheap altcoin chart. Like, the Bitcoin chart doesn't really. You just have these, I guess it's just high frequency trading bots. I'm not too sure. If you guys know, let me know in the comment section below. But just such choppy action in Bitcoin, whether it's due to price manipulation or just some weirdness, I'm not too sure. But that's what Bitcoin is really looking right now. So in the 7-day chart, I really can't call this bullish or bearish. I guess we are putting in, let's see, the low over here was what, 7,004. I guess we're putting in higher lows, so that's good. And ultimately, people are thinking that, most of the community right now is thinking that Bitcoin is about to just shoot to the moon, you guys. Most of the community on YouTube, everyone's saying, this is it. This is it, you guys. We've consolidated. See, we had our big run up, and we fell down. We came down to this point right here, guys. Here, let me zoom out a little bit more. Everyone's saying this, but see, we came up all the way to 20,000, okay? We came all the way back down to a little under 7,000, and we've been putting a higher high, a higher low and a higher low, and now you guys were consolidating, and any day now, Bitcoin's going to the moon. Well, that is completely plausible, but let's go look at the Crypto Fam's little graph here, or his little drawings here, but he's saying, and CryptoFam's on Twitter, some Twitter account, I really like the stuff they post. And you can read this in depth. I'll put this into the description, but, he just goes over very in depth why this could possibly be a bearish thing for cryptocurrency and Bitcoin. And why I think it's bearish is because, look at this. Look, where's the volume? Where's the volume? The volume is still under 20 billion, which is just so strange. It's just definitely not bullish in my opinion. It's definitely not bullish in my opinion. But the question is, see, the volume is just dropping off. But let's just bring this chart in a little bit more. So obviously the volume is going to drop off from the high point to now. But the volume is staying low. And that really, guys, we really could see a huge leg down or a huge leg up. I'm not entirely sure. It's quite, I have no idea. It's quite strange. Nobody knows, but a lot of people are saying this is a bullish time for Bitcoin, and I'm saying I don't really know. I'm not really convinced that we hit the bottom yet. We did not have as much, capitulation and anger and frustration and resentment at the market. So I'm not sure if we really truly hit that bottom in yet, you guys. But you can still make money. There's several coins up today. Let's go take a look at the charts. So if we can go look back at the charts, what's going on? Here we go. So what's up today? Walton is, oh no, Walton's not even there. So BTC, so these coins, oh, Zill's up, you guys. Nem came out. Walton was really high up. It's kind of coming back down a little bit. I mean, I told you guys to buy at the 130,000 Satoshi mark. Is that 130,000? Yeah, 130,000. And we're at 165,000 now. So good for you guys that took my advice on that one, which is not advice, just my opinion. But yeah, you don't have a lot of super huge gainers in the market. And keep in mind, everyone was talking about the 6th of the month. You know, nothing really happened today, but I don't think something's going to happen today. I think it's going to happen tomorrow. I think something might happen tomorrow. But anyway, you guys, I really don't know what's going to happen. I don't think anyone knows what's going to happen. You can look into other YouTube channels to see what their technical analysis is saying. But right now, it just could go totally bearish or it could go totally bullish. Hopefully, I personally want to see some bulls because I have a lot of investment in altcoins right now. And I really don't want Bitcoin to come down to 5,000 because if that happens, then everything's going to crash and we're going to have months of just bear activity, in my opinion, if that happens. So hopefully Bitcoin can stay steady, start continually rising, and hopefully you can see a new trend of complete bullishness. But anyway, guys, that's all I got for today. I'll see you guys in the next video, and peace out.